What's up, guys? We're here at Real Estate Brilliance one-day agent success seminar with Ryan Thompson. We're about to go inside and see if we can have a few words with Ryan. I'm here with Ryan Thompson, the founder of Real Estate Brilliance. We're here at a Real Estate Intensive, which is your one-day workshop, isn't it? The full day. So we're here in Perth today. Also do these in the East Coast?
Sydney, Brisbane and Melbourne next week, yeah.
And what are some of the things that agents get out of coming to this event?
What we try to do is to give a full taste of a system, from goals to managing yourself, to prospecting, to winning business, to presenting, closing, vendor management, building a team.
And you used to work with Brian Tracy as well, didn't you?
Yeah, so when I sort of moved into the personal professional development space, Brian Tracy was one of my key mentors, and I actually bought a franchise from them and was one of their key franchises for a couple of years. But I missed real estate, I missed helping real estate agents, so I use all of that stuff, I use all of that collateral and all those key messages and personal professional development principles, but ingrain it into real estate as well. So Brian's still very close to my heart, and yeah, it was great being a part of that. But real estate is what I love to do, and real estate agents are who I love to help. So
you've worked with Bibby and Yap, who was the #1 agent in the country.
I actually met Vivian at one of my seminars. She realised that there was quite a lot of value I could help her with, so she adopted my 5-stage selling strategy, which is an auction kind of method of sale, and that took her to #1.
I remember when I spoke at Homegrown Heroes, which was an event, it was probably 3 years ago now.
2014 or 15, yeah.
And we all went for dinner here in the Crown afterwards, and it was like, I felt like I was at the Last Supper with all the, Australia's best real estate agents.
It was a great dinner, that actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, Vivian was there. We had some
Michael Keel was there.
Michael Keel was there. Yeah. It was a good dinner. It's great.
So this is like the entry level, taste of what Real Estate Brilliance can do. You come to the full day workshop, you get a bit of a taste of what some of the value is, get to hear from some of the clients, and then what's the next step? Like, you do one-on-one coaching, or how does it work?
Yeah, so I mean, we work with all types of agents. So beginners, we have definitely a few of those. A lot of intermediates who just kind of hit the ceiling, and then we work with some superstars as well. So we offer a blended approach to learning. So it's actually at 12 months at a time, and we have limited numbers. So we can't obviously deal with everybody because we offer them personal one-on-one coaching. We have monthly, mini seminars, mini supercharged sessions. We have script and dialogue training. We have a full resource vault, so there's tutorials and resources there for them, amongst other things like a social get together, and we all get together and have a bit of fun from time to time. So it's a proper membership where people can grow and reach their goals and have fun along the way.
Yeah, you're over on the East Coast, get along. It's Sydney, Melbourne, Brisbane, all three of them. Yeah, still opportunity to go, guys. I'll put the link in the comments. And Ryan, thanks for joining us today.
Thank you very much, Nathaniel.
Cheers.
Appreciate it.